Okay, gentlemen, next here 120 Roadster curved back seats. This is the 10 and 11 pleat versions. You can see how we've finished the seats here with the correct curve going this way and also this going that way. It's a very difficult seat to trim to this standard, but as you can see here at BAS, we've nailed this one. It looks excellent, and it's a very attractive red and biscuit two-tone combination that was factory original. This is an early car. Customer sent us his chromed frames. Of course, the moquette is on the back, and the panel that we have here and on the side panel there, which hopefully you can see, the originals were tool punched by the factory, and the fit is not that great, so we custom make those panels to each seat for much better results, and of course the matching console. But I'm sure the customer's going to be pleased, and it'll look fantastic when it's in the car.